Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can structure your Facebook ads campaigns if you're on a low budget. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alexander and I own an e-commerce growth agency and we help e-commerce businesses scale through Facebook ads, Google ads, Pinterest ads, TikTok ads, and email marketing. And as I said earlier, I'm gonna show you how you can structure your campaigns on Facebook if you're on a low budget. So here we are in my computer and we're on Canva. I have already prepared the structure and I'm just gonna give you the details. So let's say by low budget, I mean anything between $50 and $100. If you cannot spend $50 a day on Facebook ads and marketing, I think there's other issues that you need to look at before you start running ads. You should focus on gaining some traction organically, so posting more, working with influencers, getting some traffic and organic sales to your website, and then starting to advertise. Facebook ads will not fix your low revenue. They're just gonna amplify what is currently working. So looking at the structure, I would create one top of funnel campaign and one middle funnel. So top of funnel is basically prospecting campaign where we're gonna target people who have never seen your business before, and middle funnel is where we're gonna retarget people who have engaged with your business. So with top of funnel, depending on your budget and depending on the price point of your product. So if your product costs $200 and you wanna spend $50 a day on ads, it's gonna be very hard for you to generate consistent results. Simply because in the beginning, it's gonna require a lot of testing on audiences and creatives. So I would recommend the budget to start with is to be 5 times the targeted CPA. So if your target CPA is $50, you should be spending $250 per day on ads. So again, let's say your budget is $50 per day. How are you gonna structure your ads? You're gonna have one top funnel campaign and one middle funnel. In top funnel is where we're gonna spend the majority of the budget, so probably $40 to $45, and then for middle funnel you're gonna have $5 to $10. You're gonna create 3 ad sets which are gonna be broad, so completely broad, no targeting, maybe just the gender and the age group if your target audience falls into these, or if you're selling to men and women 18 to 65, just open audience and target them. For the other 2, you're gonna do your own research. You're gonna find the 2 interests that your target audience is interested in. So for example, if you're selling jewelry, you're selling handmade jewelry, you can target handmade jewelry and jewelry by itself. And then for middle funnel, you're gonna target people who have engaged with your Facebook profile, who have engaged with your Instagram profile and been to your website in the last 30 days. For creatives, what you're gonna use is your best-selling products, and you're gonna have one single image, 2 carousels, one with your best-selling collection, the second one is gonna be with your best-selling products, and the 4th one is gonna be a video. Use the same creatives in each audience. This way you're gonna know where is the problem, because if the creatives are working in this audience and are generating sales, but are not working in this audience, you know that the problem here is the audience. However, if the creatives are not working in all of the audiences, perhaps the creative is the problem. With middle funnel, again, you're gonna use only your best-selling products. You can create a mix of single images, carousels and videos. The reason I'm saying you should use mostly your best-selling products is simply because your best-selling products are proven to work and are low-hanging fruit, and you know people in your niche are gonna be interested in them. With time, when your audiences and campaigns start to deliver consistent results, you're gonna start scaling. I have created a separate video on how to scale your campaigns, which you can find in the description of this video. But in short, what you can do is you can start increasing the budget on each ad set with 20% every 3 to 5 days. If you increase the budget with more than 20%, your audience is gonna return to learning mode and is gonna start the whole optimization process again. And yeah, that was basically it, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. I know it was short, but I've said many times, I want to give you actionable information in the shortest period of time. So yeah, if you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really helps me out get these videos out there, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, thank you for your time and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.